major turn of events here on Wall Street, in America, in the world. And here to talk about all the chaos is Peter Costa. Hi, Peter. Thanks for meeting me in this hour.
It's nice being here.
Well, last night, just after the polls closed, the Dow futures tumbled. Did someone hear something that the rest of us didn't?
Well, I think that originally it was the expectation, if Trump started to pull even and was pulling ahead, and I think that there were investors or someone was gaming the market, it looked like, and they were selling it off overseas, trying to take advantage of that maybe. But it didn't work out too well, it looks like.
Well, now the Dow is up 150 points. Did we lose the opportunity here to buy dips?
Well, I mean, you know what? I think that going forward, we're going to have some volatility. I think you'll have an opportunity again. Not saying that we'll sell, the market will sell off by 10%, which is something that was mentioned prior to the election. But I think we'll have opportunities. I think that because there's still an uncertainty about the policies and who's going to be involved in what, and there's still a lot of uncertainty. So uncertainty is not a friend of equities.
Right. And when do we expect to see that?
I don't know. I mean, I would think before the January 20th. I would think sometime before that you'll start seeing some of that movement, and maybe even after that. Who knows? I mean, the market was, they priced a little bit of a Trump victory in last week because we had sold off 9 days in a row. But, in the end, it was about, the underlying pressure or the underlying support in the drug stocks, financials, industrials. These are all the groups that are rallying now.
Well, I'd like to talk about other things other than the election, but it seems like that's really dominating the markets right now. Wholesale inventories we got today. Anything else we could focus on?
Well, I think that, people have been mentioning that, with this sell-off last night or this morning, that the Fed was going to take a step back and maybe not do anything in December. Now that the market's rallied back and is kind of stabilized, the thought process is they probably will do something. Like I said, I've told you before, I don't think they should. But I do think that you will, they're going to be seriously considering it. I don't think that it was 70% that they would. I think it's more like 50-50 now, right now.
Okay, so we're on forecast, would you say?
Yeah, I would think so, yeah.
All right, well, we're also on forecast for next Wednesday. Can't wait to talk then, Peter.
I'll be here.